everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, if you guys are new to my channel, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I know through my analytics that maximum of you are watching my videos and not subscribing to my channel. So please go and subscribe to my channel first, and also if you want more such kind of videos, so please go and like this video. Also you can hit the notification bell which is near the subscribe button, so you'll get notified whenever I come up with the new videos. So if you guys are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Mehak. So coming back to this video, this is must-haves from H&M. Also these are some of the clothes which I personally recommend to you guys. This is not, I'm not forcing you that these are the products that you should buy, but yeah, these are some of my recommendations from my side. I am showing to you, like, if you like these clothes then you can also buy it. Also if you want to buy some of these clothes, then all the links are provided in the description, and also you can check out the price, the actual rate of the product there, because the product price may differ because of sale and stuff, so that's why you can check it out. All the links are provided in the description. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So as you guys know, summer season is coming, so we're gonna begin with some basic outfits. So my first outfit for the day is this mint green colored top, or you can say a pastel green colored top. It's a very pretty top. You can have it from H&M, and it's summer friendly, and also many of you are fond of pastel aesthetics or pastels these days, because pastels are a trend. So you can surely have this color top. It looks very pretty, and if you can pair it with a white jeans, if you have a white jeans, or otherwise black will work anytime. So this is my second outfit from H&M. It's a lower neck top. It's very cute. I especially like the color lavender, and also as I told you previously that pastels are a trend. This top is my favorite, and also it looks so pretty. You can pair this with white jeans also, but black always works, so I prefer black with it. Guys, my third outfit from H&M is this cute crop top. It's not a crop top, like it's a very basic top with NASA written on it, and it looks so amazing. It's so pretty. You must have seen this top in my video, in my birthday vlog. So if you haven't watched my birthday vlog yet, so here somewhere there must be a pop-up, so you can click there and check it out. You can check out this outfit there. It is very cute and it's very comfy, and also you can pair it with some shorts. Yeah, this is also a very basic outfit, or you can say a very trendy outfit to wear. So let's move on to our next outfit. So my fourth outfit from H&M is this top. This is my personal favorite from H&M. तो जब मैंने ये टॉप खरीदा था, तो मैंने पहले से ही सोच रखा था कि अगर मैं ये टॉप लूँगी तो I'll pair it with a black jacket and a black short. So, and that happened, and it looks so good, and I really liked it. So you can check out the jacket also, and the shorts I'm going to show you now, but the jacket is not from H&M. So if I found the link of the jacket, then I will surely put in the description box. So this top is available in two colors, like it's in black and white. outfit is a paperback shorts from H&M. This is also a very pretty shorts, like if you are fond of wearing shorts and very summer friendly high waist shorts. And this also I wore it on my birthday vlog, as I told you earlier, so I'll recommend you these shorts. These are very comfortable. It's having an elastic on its waist and it's a high waist shorts, so you must buy this one. I truly recommend you. And I remember this shorts I got for 799 rupees from H&M. I don't know the current prices, but I got it from H&M at rupees 799. So you can check out with the site that whatever the prices are now available in many colors, so you can check it out there. Move on towards our next outfit. As winters are over now, so there's no point of showing winter clothes, but still I am showing you this top. This is a stand-up collar top from H&M, and it's a very pretty top. Like, it's very simple and it looks so good while I wore it. And you can style it up in many ways. You can wear a jacket on top of it, or you can pair it with a jeans or something. I personally like this one and it's pretty basic, so I thought that I should give it a try, so I bought it. It's slightly turtleneck, but it's a stand-up collar top and it's not that much costlier, but it's very good. So you can have this, so you can style it up very easily, or you can wear it as it is because it looks very pretty, very classy, and whites are obviously very classy. So yeah, this is also a very good product. Outfit is another winter related outfit, but I still wanted to show you this. So this is a cute knitted jumper and it's very good. I think my camera is not showing a perfect color, but it's vermilion in color. When I saw it on the site, it was red in color, so I ordered it, but I got a vermilion one. But it also looks so good, and I'll suggest you that if you are purchasing this one, then you should keep in mind that if you are fond of oversized, then you can order a size lesser than your original size, because it's very much oversized and it looks so good, but it looked very classy, so that's why I ordered it. It's available in many colors. You can choose your own color according to your preference, but I personally like this color. I ordered red, but I got a vermilion one, but it's not an issue. It looked very good and very classy, so I loved it. So this is a must buy and also one of my favorite products. Let's move on towards our last product. So the last product is not an outfit, but it's a best thing I purchased from H&M till now. So it's a trainer, which it's very good, and you can see the color, the pure red colored trainers. I wanted these from so long, and you know, I got it in a very good price. Like, it was in the sale, so I quickly purchased it. It was out of stock from a very long time, but I really loved it. I kept it in my favorites, and then suddenly it came and I ordered it quickly. So this, I got it at a very low price and I really loved it. I'll link this in my description. This is the best product from H&M I've purchased till now. And you won't believe that I was literally craving for this for a very long time. This one, and also one more platform trainers that is also not available now. So whenever it is available, I'm gonna buy it. So these trainers are available in white color also, but I was already having a white shoe, so that's why I ordered a red one, and it looks so damn good and so perfect that I really loved it a lot. So guys, I'm done with all the products, and this brings us to the end of this video. I know I have purchased a lot of things, but these are must-haves from H&M. You can check out the link in the description for all the products if you want to buy them, and you can also check out their alternatives or different colors of the product. So give this video a like, comment down your favorite outfit and the outfit that looked good on me, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also guys, if you want more such videos like try on hauls or something, then do comment down and let me know your views that should I do more of these or not. And also,
so please whatever,
and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I come up with new videos. I'll see you guys next week, probably next week, because I say every time next week, but I don't upload a video. I'm very sorry for that, but this time I'm gonna see you guys next week. Paka. So till then, bye.